Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about the A sound. Here is the letter A. This letter makes the A sound. Can you say that with me? I'll go first. A, A, A. Now your turn. Great job. Before we get started, can you think of some words that begin with the A sound? Pause the video to think of some words. Now let's go through some A words together. Apple, apple. Avocado, avocado. Ant, ant. Alligator, alligator. Ambulance, ambulance. Great job! Let's look at some more words that begin with the A sound. Apple, apple. Ambulance, ambulance. Anchor, anchor. Airplane, airplane. Arrow, arrow. Astronaut, astronaut. Axe, axe. Thanks for learning the A sound with me. Make sure you review your sounds. See you next time. Bye!